2016.
Yes, I would like to invite everybody. Paki-announce na lang din na this is open to all. So, registration is still open until April 30. So, they can do it online registration. Ano to, it's gonna be one of a lifetime chance. Kasi every 4 years ang Olympics. So, yung mga hopefuls natin will be surely coming. Not surely, hopefully. That all of them come here and then spread the excellence of sports through Philippine Athletics Championship. So, hopefully, I can see you all of you here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Patafa Secretary General Jasper, please.
Inviting everyone to again on May 8 to 12, Litchfield Sports Track and Field Oval in Pasig to join the ICTSI Philippine Athletics Championship. You'll see all of our national athletes and Phil Heritage athletes, foreign athletes who will be making the competition more competitive po. Thank you po.
Thank you. And Mr. Relly De Leon, Assistant to President Terry Capistrano, please.
Yes, I'm appealing again to the media people. Please be there to support our Philippine National Open. We expect you to be there. Let's make fun, guys.
Yan, maraming salamat sir. More power sa ating Philippine Athletics Open. Manood po tayo. Panoorin natin mga athletic stars and sa mga aspiring athletics national team members. Manood po tayo at sumali. Maraming salamat po. Till next time.